The judiciary has over time been the subject of criticism by many Kenyans over allegations of corruption and inefficiency. Thousands of unresolved cases have best exemplified the adage of justice delayed being justice denied. But the new constitution seeks to totally transform the judiciary.
We not only have to find out whether judges have done their work competently in the vetting, when we are doing the vetting process, we also have to listen to the public to find out whether the public has issues regarding the integrity of members of the judiciary.
The new constitution provides for the creation of a superior court that will be the final seat of justice. The Supreme Court will hear and determine disputes arising from the presidential elections. These will effectively deal with the concerns similar to those that were raised by ODM after the hotly contested 2007 presidential poll.
This Supreme Court is now going to be the highest court in the land. The Supreme Court will consist of very eminent judges, scholars and lawyers with over 20 years experience.
The Supreme Court will also offer Kenyans another opportunity to challenge rulings by the Court of Appeal. The court will also offer clear and final interpretation on the application of the new constitution. The Supreme Court will be made up of the Chief Justice, Deputy Chief Justice and 5 other judges. All these judges must not only be the country's best legal brains, but also men and women of high integrity.
It's not going to be automatic that the people currently in the Court of Appeal will be elevated to the Supreme Court. In fact, in my view, it will be totally getting it wrong. Because the reason we have created a Supreme Court is because of certain failures, perceived failures by the High Court of Appeal.
All current judges and magistrates must be ready for a thorough vetting process within 12 months. However, analysts warn that the vetting process must be clear to avoid the pitfalls of the 2003 radical surgery on the judiciary that came a cropper.
And people question what was the purpose of that process. Was it genuinely to clean the judiciary, or did it have other ulterior political motives? Now, we must avoid those mistakes in the current process.
The Chief Justice must quit within 6 months, while the Attorney General must pave way within 12 months. The President, in consultation with the Prime Minister, will appoint the replacement. The Judicial Service Bill that outlines how reforms in the judiciary will be undertaken is likely to be tabled in Parliament later this week. The Kenyan judiciary has previously been described as inept, corrupt and inefficient. The need for clear judicial reforms has been at the center of the search for a new constitution. The new Supreme Law has clear provisions that will enable Kenyans access justice in a better way. Francis Gachuri, Sunday Live in Nairobi.